Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So I got few stuff from Meesho and I know how much you guys love Meesho because Meesho is way too affordable and it's good. When it comes to the price, I think the quality is top notch. So I'll just start with the video and I'll show you what all items I got. So let's get into the video. So let's start with the first item, and the first item I got was a short kurti. This is in size small, and I got this one for my office. So this is blue in color and the stuff and everything is awesome. I would say 10 out of 10. So this is the first item. For your reference, I'll add the videos over here. So this was the first one. Now let's get into the second item. So the same shirt I ordered from Flipkart and that was around I think 200 rupees, and this one is also I think around 168 rupees. Both are same shirt, I don't know, but I'll keep this one because there was no difference when it comes to quality. So I'll keep this one and I'll return that one. The third item and my absolute favorite one from this haul is this kurti. This one is like awesome. I would say 10 out of 10 when it comes to quality, the design, the pattern, everything. So just loved it. 10 out of 10 for this one. Now another one is this top. I got this top for like soon winters are coming, so this will be very helpful when it comes to layering. So I got this one. The neck designing, everything is just too good. Quality wise, it's good. Like 10, I would say 9 out of 10. So this is the another one. When it comes to top, I got this one top. I don't know how it will look on me. I'll try it for the first time. So this is one of the top in floral print, and this is the neck design. So the quality of this is like 6 out of 10, not that good, but nice when it comes to the price. It's good. Another one is this crop top. This one is like 10 out of 10. The fitting, the quality, everything is top notch. So I'll highly recommend this one if you want to purchase something from this haul. So this one is definitely a big yes. Since I am a lover when it comes to crop top, so this is another crop top and it was around 200 or might be 160 around. So this is another crop top in black color, and this one also I'll say 10 out of 10. And I literally love crop tops. Whenever I have something I have to go, so I'll always go with the crop top. Then comes this one. This one also I got for winters only. So this is one. The main thing about this is the neck design. Similar kind of top I got I think 3 years back from H&M, and that was around 2000 rupees, and this one is only around 300 rupees. So a big yes for this one, and best for winters. The quality, everything is too good. Now comes to these two shirts. Since every one of you loves shirts, so I thought why not buy these shirts. So this is one of them. This is in pink color, and the quality, everything is top notch. This one was around 178 rupees, and you can get multiple colors in this. From the same one I have this color, and another one was the purple one. So I'll highly recommend this one also. If you want it, you can get it. It's way too good, and with this price I think it's a steal deal. This one is a set of two. One is this top which we have to wear inside. This one you can style it with the top with your jeans and all without the shirt itself. So this is the one, and another one we have this shirt over this one. Quality is good. It's 8 out of 10. Like, I love everything in this haul. The haul was super affordable. I think mostly all the items I got around only under 2000 rupees itself. So all the links and everything I'll keep it in the description so you can get it from there. I hope you like this video. If yes, please do let me know in the comment section.